Hi, I'm Barcel, and this is my 30 days to starting over journey. This is day 14, and it was raining from early in the day until the afternoon, and honestly, the weather made the vibe so perfect for journaling. So, yeah, I did some journaling in the morning. I'm still doing the 7 days thinking positively about Allah challenge, but since I don't journal every single day, so today I just reached day 5, which talks about forgiving and letting go. So after journaling, I went through my usual routine and I was planning to finish my foldable bag design. So I did that later in the day. My original idea was to create woven style shopping bag in a bag charm doll version, but because the main concept of the foldable shopping bag itself was already inspired by a plastic classic bag, so combining both ideas looked a little bit too crowded for me. It's too much, isn't it? So I brainstormed again and finally came up with 3 new design options. Since I couldn't decide on my own, I asked my friends, both by chat and social media, to vote for the favorite. While I wait for the results, I'll switch to finishing my calendar design first. And that's all for today.